Templates. Do you know Go High Level has templates and has a massive amount of templates? Stay with me. My name is Pamela Dale, your GHL gal. I'm going to show you around the inside of Go High Level funnel and website templates. Templates are fantastic. When you're first starting out, templates can save you a lot of time. And if you're not great at design, wow, can they ever assist you in getting what you need put up online quicker and easier and faster? You will get to a place where the templates become a little bit harder to use because you've got your own style. So I always recommend you save your own templates. You get started and you have your own templates eventually. Let me share my screen inside of High Level and let me show you some templates. Let's take a look around. Because High Level is so amazing, you can see that you can have unlimited funnels and websites. So you can have dozens and dozens that you love. And I even recommend you saving some pieces of them and then you can reuse them. And I'll show you that in just a moment. The other thing that's really powerful is you can have folders. So I have some of my templates in a folder, and I highly recommend that you do what I've done here, clone before using. And if you dump these into your clients' accounts as well, it's really great if it says that. Then they know that if you push an update, that it won't ruin their original, but also they still have the original when they go and start playing with these things because they might screw it up. I know I certainly did when I first started. So let's take a look at funnels first. Let's go ahead and create a new funnel. I'm going to go to the template library. This was not available to you and me as users. It was only available to us as the agency level. So you can toggle this on for your users. Let's go take a look at that really quickly. Let's jump to the agency view and we're going to come down here to settings and we are going to go to company. And if your people don't have this, then you can go ahead and turn this on. If you're a new Go High Level agency in the last month, this is on automatically. So if you don't want your people to have access to templates, toggle this off. Okay, excellent. Let's jump back in and take a look around. So under sites for funnels, we go here and we're going to go to the template library. What you can do is you can see immediately just the vast number of templates that are available to you. We have got tags and there's dozens and dozens of different types of websites that you could take a look at here. So it just keeps going. You can see it's out in alphabetical order and you can see we're at F, right? So then this is the type of funnel that are available. We've got bio, checkout, etc. Lead capture. Now, one of the things that's important to understand, being from the ClickFunnels world, that the typical sales funnels like an application funnel, lead magnet funnel, webinar, flow, all of those kind of sales funnels, they don't have as many of those here. I do have a full set of all of those. If you'd be interested in learning more about those, they're built really well and designed really well. So these are a little bit more for local businesses, but they are fantastic. And then the next thing we want to do is jump over to websites and do the same thing. We've got new website template, same categories. These are the new Linktree templates, which are really exciting. And then we can take a look at marketing websites. We can take a look at lead capture website and we can toggle on and off and start grouping them all together. So they're very well done. Not a lot of CS code in them either. So they're really easy to edit. So the other thing I want to show you is in the funnels, let's jump into a training account here so that we can see where we want to go. You can save the sections and reuse them in other funnels. So I found that to be really powerful when I was first starting, especially when it comes to testimonial sections, footer sections, the sales, your little services piece, etc. You can go ahead and save those. And I love that. And your sections are going to be green. The moment that you scroll over the green, you can hit the green. It takes a minute to do that. And then I can go ahead and save this as saved section number 1. And when I come back in, I can come and find it, or I could put it as a global section. If I put it as a global section, it's going to turn purple. So that if I put this in any other part of this funnel, it's going to be permanent. If I make a change here, it's going to change the other pages. Global sections do not save amongst different funnels. Once it's global, it's only global in this funnel. So you'll need to save it as a section first, so as well as the global, so that you can move these around. So the templates can have templates, which is really powerful. Now, I want to go back and I want to show you the new funnel editor. This is a sneak peek. It's not perfect yet. I am huge in the feedback for this because the editor has changed and I have got some suggestions, but let's go in and take a look around. You'll notice immediately it is different, and the sections and the layers here have different layouts, and you can see the sections and it's a one column row. I can hide, edit, clone, delete, or save this section as well. Same thing. So very powerful. I can add it as a template or global section. So you just have to dig in a little bit. But what I really want to tell you is that sometimes some of these other sales funnels, membership area kind of thing do have a lot of templates, or that is one of the selling features of them, right? I know ClickFunnels is constantly updating their templates versus their 2.0, where I could actually send an email through the darn system. So that's really important that if they're dropping 107 templates, the templates are not as valuable as you think they are. They are a piece of it. But if the tech doesn't work, it doesn't matter about your templates. So we know the tech works here, and the tremendous amount of templates is really powerful for you to get started. Then what I suggest, build your own templates, build your own set of templates. And then, of course, you can turn those into snapshots. You can do all sorts of things. But I know my style. I know what it is I need. I've got all my icons, all my backgrounds, all of the everything that I need that I use, a guarantee symbol, stuff like that. I slowly gathered those assets. And then sometimes what I do is I go into those templates for ideas. That's a trick, right? You're not sure how to design something. You're not sure you need a new design style. I do the mimicking, right? Or what they used to call funnel hacking, right? I call it mimicking, which is a very important key to success, is mimicking successful people. And I will mimic those funnels. I will go and look at other funnels and I'll see if I can mimic it inside of high level. And you really, really can. So if you're interested in a funnel design class, let me know, because that's actually where I really thrive. And Go High Level website and funnel templates do not disappoint. See you on this road.